Hello folks, so start the on-the-air test actually the next day after the on-the-air test, because for some reason it didn't record. So we've got the Maxcom 7E, which hopefully you saw the repair to. It was just a routine service, brought the power up a bit, brought the deviation up a bit, got a little bit more out of the receiver. So what are we looking at? 0.85 microvolts on the receiver, we're looking at 3.6 watts on the transmitter. Low power 250 milliwatts. So there we are, we're on channel 31. Let's see if anybody's on 19. One and a Roger. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. They're not out of bed yet, are they? So when I came to edit the video last night and this morning, I discovered there was no preliminary discussion at the beginning, and the camcorder had cut out after 1 second, and I realised that it cut out because it had gone into an auto shutdown. So I don't know what happened, but there you are. This is Mr. Chippie is setting himself up, and we're going to start the video at the lane end.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Lancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that, and it's only 7:30.
I think you need a watch. Through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
From Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Maxcom 7E emergency radio from 1982. It's doing 3.6 watts over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. I've started with some interference.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Maxcom 7E, doing 3.6 watts and drawing just 760 milliamps of power. It's got low power on it. It's 250 milliwatts. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power. Ready to start drawing 270 milliamps. Back to full power. There we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problem on full power. Had to override the squelch on low power, but you were perfectly readable. Band's a bit less noisy today.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're square wheeled at the level crossing.
Roger, got you square wheeled at the level crossing.
Roger. Well, looks like it's a steel train.
Oh good, I'm glad we've got some steel.
The lady with the whippet's not very happy about the train.
Yeah, what's it going to do about it?
Well, it's currently barking its head off. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 136.9 and 142.7.
Yeah, 21, I got interference, then just go again.
Yes, 136.9, 142.7.
Excellent, right, that works fine, thank you very much, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end? Today, please, over. Tango 21, I got interference, then just go again.
Yes, 136.9, 142.7.
Excellent, right, that worked fine, thank you very much, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, so before we go over to our Midland base station, I don't think the beginning of this video got recorded. So normally I'll go over, it's a repair, it's coming from a customer, it's doing 3.6 watts. I had to re-switch the camcorder, cut out like it wasn't on record, but I know it was on record, so I don't know what that shenanigans was all about. So we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like. I think we've got Radio Mobile 202 next.
Tango 21, testing the Maxcom 7E emergency radio into our Midland 76900 base station. Obviously using the built-in electret condenser mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power as a hum test. There we go on low power, doing 250 milliwatts back to full power, it's doing 3.6 watts this particular radio. And remember, these were never intended to be used as a base station. So thanks for watching Maxcom 7E from 1982.